Hey guys, in this session let us see how to add a target in OEM. So click on setup, click on add target and click on add targets manually. Again click add target manually. So here in agent host you need to give the host name or IP address of your target server. Okay, and you can click on search, select this and click on select. Now click on add. Give the target name. Okay, so here you need to give the database name or your database server. So I will be giving my database name itself so that it will be easy for me to identify. So here you can see the target type as database instance, right? So you need to give the database instance name, and here you need to give database SID or your database name, anything you can give, and give the password. So here you can see monitoring username is DBSNMP. Okay, so this DBSNMP user will be used to automatically monitor your target database. Okay, so this DBSNMP user execute a set of background queries to get the metrics from your target server to display all the metrics in your OEM. Okay, say for example, if you need to check the table space usage or the table space statistics, then this user execute the select queries into DBA table spaces or DBA data files and check the space, and all those metrics will be transferred to the OEM. Okay, and those data will be displayed in the form of graph. Okay, so give the Oracle home path and you can give the listener machine name. So here my listener name is this one, and you can give the IP address. You can select a TCP and give the database SID. Okay, you can also give your TNS admin location. So these locations you will get from your target server. Okay, if you say echo $Oracle home, then you will get the Oracle home location, and if you say echo $TNS admin, you should get the TNS admin. But since I have not set this location, you should take this directory as /network /admin. Okay, so this is my TNS admin location. So once you fill all these details, just click on test connection. So it says that network adapter could not establish the connection. So here I need to give the IP address. Okay, it says that the account is locked. Okay, so let me check if this DBSNMP user is logged or not. Yeah, it is locked. So what you can do is you can unlock this user. Again check the status. Yeah, now it is open. So let me test the connection without changing the password. So it says that invalid username or password. So let me again change my password. Okay, it says that connection test was successful. This means that I'm able to connect from OEM to the target database. Okay, just click on OK, click on next. So you can validate all these details. Just click on submit. Just close this. The details are saved successfully. Now I have added one of the target database in my OEM. Okay, so let me check the summary. So this is the dashboard. Okay, so here you will be able to check all the pie charts of the database status. Okay, whichever target database which you have configured, all those database statuses will be reported over here. Okay, so if it is up, then it will show in green color, and if it is down, then it is red color. So if it is unknown, then it is yellow color. Okay, so here if you click on this pie chart, then you will be able to see all the metrics and all the targets which are configured. Okay, so this is my database instance. So if I click on this, so it has to show all the details of this particular database instance. Okay, so here you can see the performance metrics, right? Here you can see SQL monitor details for the last hour. So you can see the resources. Okay, CPU, active sessions, memory, data storage, all these details will be reported over here. So it will be very helpful for you in case of immediate troubleshooting. Okay, so if you are seeing any contentions or CPU spikes in your database system, if you're well suited for your command line, then that is also good. But if you are used with this graphical troubleshooting, then it will be more easier for you to have an idea of the particular issue. Okay, so if the CPU spikes suddenly, then you will be seeing a sudden spike over here. Okay, so this is what the main advantage of OEM. Okay, so here also you can see the SQL monitor, whichever SQL which were executed previously. So you can click on the SQL ID. You can just explore each and every option. Okay, so here you have to give the username of your particular database. Okay, so just use the sys user or system user. I'm just giving the password. Just log in as SDBA and just save it. So on top of the window, you can see all the options available. Okay, so if you click on that particular SQL, you can see all the statistics related to the particular SQL, all the timings and how much IO that particular SQL has consumed. All the performance statistics are available over here. You can see the execution plan. Okay, how much parallel slaves it has used, the SQL text activity. Okay, so if you click on this performance tab, you will be able to see all the performance metrics. Okay, so you can see the hash. Okay, just explore each and every option so that it will be easy for you to get familiar with it. I'm not going to explore each and every option, but I'll just show you what are all the options available. So even if you configure, it will be difficult for the first time, but once you get used to this, you will be able to use all these options. Okay, so if you want to check the table space related statistics, okay, so if I click on all metrics, I'll be able to see what are all the metrics which are being configured for this particular target. So on this left side, you can see all the metrics, right? So the most common metric will be table space. So currently I don't have a table space configured, but you can configure it manually. Okay, say for example, let me go into the archive area. Okay, this will show you all the archive related details. Okay, so currently there is no metric collected, but once all the metrics are updated, you will be able to see all the how much archives are generated and for all the archive size, everything you will get. Okay, so now you configured the particular target in OEM. Okay, so now you don't need to do anything unless until if you want to add any extra metrics over here, like table space or backup related information, you need to add these metrics over here. That's it. Okay,